Okay.
Sup YouTube and welcome to Stage Dismount. I am joined with my friend Bird and my name is Shark. We're taking IJ's place. And yeah, we're playing Stairs Dismount. We're trying to beat the high score. So here's the high score that I give for Bird. This. I bet he can't beat this.
Oh, I can beat that.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You suck at it.
Wait, somebody
Oh, yeah, I think so.
You suck.
I think so.
Yeah. Hey.
Bro, that fucking hurt, bro.
Boy, who you think you are? Ugh.
You think you is?
Let's show me what you done.
Hey, I used to hate my mom used to handle my cuts, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me handle it myself.
I think you failed, Bird.
If you didn't get at
Bird,
least 30 cuts, you didn't have a childhood.
No.
I don't care.
Yeah, you failed.
No.
Fail.
At least 30 cuts.
Fail.
No.
Fail.
I busted my knee open to the white meat, bro.
Alright, so what's the
I
score?
busted my head open.
No, you already did yours.
Stitched together. I got the scar for it and everything.
You already did yours.
I
That's
got
still
the
fair
scar
that
for
you
it
get
on
2
the tip.
turns.
It's like a little scar there still. I got
Bruh.
that. It's on the middle. Yeah, I think mine will be in my arm. It looks like a little stripe. I was like, I think it's like 7th grade. I did a race to burn challenge. I burned my head.
Hey, Papa.
I did it twice. And then
Boy, what you do,
it
my
left this
son?
nasty.
Nothing.
It left this
Nothing.
nasty behind scar. That's not a scar, bro. Next time you call it a scar.
I'm gonna do it, sir.
The white part of my arm is not a scar. It's called lost pigment. You're losing color. Or venom. I had that on my arm. You monkey, but I think my coolest
I
scar.
gotta have them on. I forgot.
Yeah, it will have to be on my left arm. It's a pretty nice score.
I was told to babysit you. So what's the problem? Babysitting, son.
Hello, Momo.
I'm babysitting you.
Oh, I'm just saying. Well.
Alright, this is a plot twist, so thanks for watching.